In this video, I will show you how to win tournaments in Monopoly Go. So, step number 1, understand the game rules. Familiarize yourself with the specific rules and mechanics of the Monopoly Go tournament you are practicing in. Knowing the rules will help you make informed decisions during gameplay. Step number 2, develop a strategy. Consider developing strategy based on your understanding of the game. This could involve prioritizing certain properties, making strategic trades, managing your money effectively, or investing in houses and hotels strategically. Step number 3, balance risk and reward. Assess the risk and potential reward of each decision you make. Sometimes taking calculated risk can lead to big rewards, but be mindful of your financial situation and potential consequences. Number 4, negotiate and trade. Monopoly is often a game of negotiation. Be open to making trades with other players, but ensure that any trades you make are advantageous to you in the long run. Aim to acquire property sets and build houses and hotels for maximum rent potential. Step number 5, keep an eye on the board. Pay close attention to the state of the board, including properties that are unknown, properties owned by opponents, and the properties you need to complete sets. This information can help you make strategic decisions and plan your next moves. Step number 6, manage your resources. Effective resources management is circular in Monopoly. Keep track of your money, properties, and available assets. Avoid overspending or overextending yourself financially. Step number 7, stay flexible and adaptable. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as the game progresses and the situation changes. Adaptability is key to responding to different scenarios and maximizing your chances of success. Step number 8, pay attention to your opponents. Observe your opponents' strategies, play styles, and financial position. Understanding their tendencies can help you to anticipate the moves and make more informed decisions. Step number 9, use any available power, UPS, or special abilities. If Monopoly Go includes power, UPS, or special abilities, utilize them strategically to gain the advantage over your opponents. Number 10, stay focused and patient. Monopoly tournament can be lengthy, or so managing focus and keep patience through the game is important. Avoid impulsive decision and remain calm even if things don't go your way initially. Remember, winning a tournament ultimately depends on a combination of skill, strategy, and luck. Enjoy the game, learn from each experience, and strive improve your gameplay with every tournament you participate in.